Welcome to the digital session of Raval Public School. And today I will take you an interesting journey of our solar system, where we will acquainted with our 8 planets and their facts. Our solar system is made up of Sun, 8 planets, their moon, asteroids and comets. Solar means related to the Sun, the family of Sun. Sun is the center of solar system. It is a huge ball made up of burning gases like hydrogen, helium and etc. It is the largest celestial body in our solar system and the nearest to the earth. That is why it is look bigger than other stars. It is a million times larger than the earth. Its distance from the earth is 150 km. It is the greatest source of heat and light on the earth for all kind of lives. Its surface temperature is about 6000 Celsius, and you will be amazed to know the light from sun takes 8 minutes to reach the earth. Its gravitational pull keeps all the members of solar system together. Planets. The word planet is derived from the Greek word planetia, that originally means wanderer. They are solid heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun in an elliptical path called orbit. All the planets except Venus and Uranus are moves around the sun from west to east. There are 2 types of planet. Innermost planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are the innermost planet. They are also called terrestrial planet. They are made up of stones and rocks. Outer planet, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are made up of gases. That is why they are also called gas giants or the outer planet. Mercury. Mercury is the closest to the sun. It does not have any satellite. It is the fastest moving planet, takes 88 days to complete one revolution and takes 59 days to complete one rotation. Its day temperature is 427 degrees Celsius and in the night its surface temperature is minus 183 degrees Celsius. Venus. It is the brightest and hottest planet in our solar system. It has no satellite. It is also known as evening and morning star. Its size and shape is very similar to the Earth. That is why it is also called Earth's sister or Earth twin. It takes 255 days to complete one revolution around the sun and complete one rotation on its axis in 243 days. Earth. It is the 3rd planet of the solar system and it is also called blue planet. Due to the presence of water, it has one natural satellite called moon. It takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun and 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. It is a unique planet. Due to the presence of oxygen, CO2 and ozone, it makes the earth as a life supporting planet. All the gases like oxygen, which is very important for the survival of living being, and CO2 which is very important for the survival of plants. There is one more important gas. Ozone is present in the atmosphere of the planet Earth, which protects us from the UV rays of the sun. Presence of water in the liquid form also make it a life supporting planet. Its moderate temperature, which is neither too hot nor too cold. Its favorable conditions or the distance from the sun make it a life supporting planet. Mars. It is called the red planet. Due to the presence of iron oxide on its surface, it appears reddish in color. It spins on its axis in one day and takes 687 days to complete one revolution around the sun. It has two moons, Deimos and Phobos. Jupiter. It is the largest planet. A largest part of it is made up of gases, and it has 79 moons revolving around it. Therefore, it is also called the mini solar system. It completes one rotation in 9 hours and 56 minutes. It takes 11 years and 11 months to complete one revolution around the sun. Saturn. It is the most beautiful and second largest planet of our solar system. It is known as the ring planet, which is made up of ice. It takes 10 hours 40 minutes to complete one spin on its axis and 29 years and 5 months to complete one revolution around the sun. It has 62 moons. Uranus. Unlike the Venus, it revolves from the east to west. It completes one rotation on its axis in 17 hours 14 minutes. It has 17 satellites and one of the coldest planets. It takes 84 years to complete one revolution around the sun. Neptune. It is the farthest planet of the solar system. It takes 16 hours and 7 minutes to complete one rotation and 164 years to complete one revolution. It has 14 known moons. It has 17 times the masses of Earth. The sun, moon and those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial or the heavenly body. Celestial bodies having their own heat and light are called star. Sun is the largest star of our solar system. Thank you. And I hope you will very much aware of our solar system. देखती हूँ क्या हुआ है, पता नहीं कितने में, मेरे को पसंद ही नहीं है ये काम ना मेरे से होता है।
कितने मिनट का बनाना है?
जितने मर्जी मिनट का बना लो।